This is Eric Muathe from Muathe.com. Let's take a look at gold from the point of view of negative divergence. So we can see for today, being July 20th, 2020, we can see that gold is pretty much trading at an all-time, 52-week high. Not all-time, but 52-week high right there with today's move. Just want to talk about the emergence or the possibility of emerging negative divergence. Now keep in mind, if we look at the pullbacks that gold has had over the last year or so, there's a pullback here. It began with a net divergence where we see prices were going higher with a decline of the RSI. We have another pullback here, and again that also coincided with negative divergence. We had prices moving higher while the RSI declined, at least made a lower high. So again, we have negative divergence that led to those two pullbacks. So right now on the daily, we don't see any negative divergence unless gold was to reverse around here. But on the 4-hourly, we are seeing a potential. I say potential because it has yet to happen. We can see there's a potential here that if gold was to reverse around here, and also given the fact that the RSI is trading around RSI 61.8, a reversal around here could be setting the stage for a pullback in gold. There's also another line that could be a challenge in the short term on the 4-hourly. It's the RSI topside. That could also be offering resistance around here. So if gold is going to go beyond current intraday highs, 52-week highs, it does need to clear these two lines, the negative divergence line and the blue line, which is the RSI topside resistance line. Or let's say this way, if gold is unable to hold above 61.8, and if it starts reversing around current levels, then a reversal around here could actually mark the beginning of some type of a shallow pullback. I should point out, it's important to note that as of right now, because gold is holding its RSI, as I mentioned, over the last couple of months, as long as the RSI on the monthly is holding above 69.1, it means that pullbacks are going to be shallow. And this instrument has high odds of net in the long run, continuing to make an improvement in new highs. So we have short term giving us the possibility of a pullback, just a possibility, but the big picture is very bullish, and always we give more weight to the big picture, which is the monthly. Especially you don't want to go against RSI 69.1. Remember, as an instrument holds above 69.1, that's a sign of extreme strong upside momentum, and we can see evidence of this. Take a look at where gold was showing strength throughout all these periods in 2006, 2007, 2008. This is the period where the RSI was holding above 69.1, and this period here, we can see all of these supremely bullish period. So as long as the RSI right now continues to hold above 69.1 on the monthly, we continue giving gold the benefit of the doubt to the upside. Eric Muathe from Muathe.com. Love and light, light and love. Namaste.